My neighbor lost a cedar tree and I now have a truckload of chips in my yard, which might have been a mistake. I'm attempting to turn a half acre of grass into fruit trees and gardens. Should I get rid of fresh cedar chips since I read it is not good for beneficial insects and pollinators? This isn't mulch, but clean cut chips. Thanks for your advice. And this is Jan.
I think people would probably pay good money for that.
You think so?
I do.
Okay.
You know, I don't think it's going to hurt you at all. I mean, you talk about it not good for beneficial insects and pollinators. They're not going to be where the pollination is going on. They might be beneficial for getting rid of the bad insects. You know, some of the bad insects,
right.
And you know, it might repel some spiders, and which are beneficial too. But anything that because I know cedar is a natural.
Yes.
You know, closed moths, things like that. That's why we have cedar robes and cedar chests, because it repels those kind of things. But I don't think it's going to be a problem out there in the landscape. I think it's going to do more good than harm. You know.
Yeah. So would you use it as a mulch? You know, she said this isn't mulch. I mean, I know some people that have used it.
I probably would. That tells me it's going to last longer,
yeah.
You know, than a regular mulch.
Right.
So
It's
yeah,
I would
not be afraid to use it as mulch.
Okay.
Personally. What about you?
I don't think it's a problem either. You know, it may rob, you know, the soil, you know, right there at the top of nitrogen. Temporarily.
Right, it takes longer to break it
down.
down.
Yeah, because it takes longer to break it down.
Yeah.
It's temporarily, right? But in the long run, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I do. So that's probably what I'd do with it.
No.
You know, you have that much. You know, I would probably use it.
I think you're going to like it. I think it's going to last longer, and
I will.
And you know, I don't think it's going to be a problem.
No, it will definitely last longer. Yeah, like I said, it will rob, of course, you know, that area of some nitrogen just temporarily, but you know, over time, I think it'll be fine.
No,
I think it'll be fine.
No.
Right. Then it looks good too. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.